injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Cooper Lake,
Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in northeastern Texas, northeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Upshur County in northeastern Texas, southern Titus County in northeastern Texas, Camp County in northeastern Texas, until 1 p.m. Central.
14 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Como, or 12 miles east of Sulphur Springs, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, hail up to ping pong ball size. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, Pittsburgh, Winsboro, Leesburg, Mount Vernon, Cookeville, Scroggins, Newsom, Purley, Winfield, Miller's Cove, Rocky Mound, Hopewell, Monticello, Roeder, Harvard, and Cypress. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm